Welcome to part 19 of the 1000 Verb Challenge. Let's get started. Destroy. Destroy. The storm will destroy the sandcastle. Cross. Cross. Look both ways before you cross the street. Establish. Establish. They want to establish a new school in the town. Recognize. Recognize. I didn't recognize him with his new haircut. Reserve. Reserve. We will reserve a table for dinner at the restaurant. Locate. Locate. Can you help me locate my lost keys? Divide. Divide. Let's divide the cake into equal pieces. Contribute. Contribute. Each person will contribute money for the group gift. Defend. Defend. The soldiers will defend their country in the battle. Discover. Discover. He hopes to discover a new planet one day. That's it for today's 10 verbs. Keep practicing, and make sure to subscribe for more in our 1000 Verb Challenge. See you in the next video.